welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Ooh.
I'm T-Ball.
And today we're going to be doing a What's in the Box challenge. And guys, we really want to be going to 50 subscribers. So if you guys could subscribe
to Oohandaah,
that would be great, and we really appreciate it. So let's get into What's in the Box.
All right, guys. So T-Ball is going first. We got to pick something out, so we got to be a little quiet. So
You can't hear. So we think we're gonna get one of those prickly bushes from there. But alright, guys, so let's go get it. Alright guys, so we got it, but there's also another rule. You only can guess for it 3 times, and if you get them all 3 times, then I don't know, what should we just like throw it on her head or something? Like do something if she can't guess it.
Yeah.
So let's see if she can guess it.
Okay, so I have 3 guesses.
Are these pine needles?
Nope, that's one guess.
Wait. Then what are they?
You got 2 more guesses. You got to try 2 more times.
Pine needles.
Nope,
What are they then?
that's 2.
Things from those trees.
Yes.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so we got some flower tops. We have 3 of them. So, yeah, let's see if
He can guess
can
them.
guess them.
All right, guys. So it's my turn. Let's see. And we have 3 guesses. Ew! Mulch.
Nope.
Nah, wait. That red bush over there?
Nope.
What is it? I don't know.
You got 1 more guess. You have to guess anything.
Ew!
Feel 'em.
Come on.
Is it that bush over there?
Nope. It's, look.
That's so gross!
So we're gonna put this shell in there. So yeah. Let's go.
All right, guys, so it's my turn. Let's guess. I cannot reach it. I'm too small. Where is it? Right there? A shell.
I told you he's gonna guess it right away.
A shell. Let's go!
Guys, we're gonna put these things on. They're like in the box. They're like from a tree. They're like blossoms almost.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we're gonna put this in. Let's see if she can guess.
Okay, it's round 2. So I'm gonna guess.
Oh god, I was kind of scared. It's alive, T.
Yeah, it's alive.
What?
Oh, it's the beauty things from that tree.
She's like the. Nah!
Okay, we're gonna do a red tomato, and this is the one that we're gonna be. So yeah, come on, let's go.
Alright, guys, I really need one. I really need to guess this. Let's see what it is. Apple.
Nope.
The heck is this?
It's one guess.
This is gross.
No, it isn't.
Just feel around a little more.
I know it's a fruit. Something. Tomato?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do some mulch. And it's like really weird mulch. It's old.
I don't think
I don't think he's gonna get it.
And if he doesn't get it, then then
Then
T's gonna win.
But if he does get it, then we're gonna have to go on a bonus round.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be out.
So let's go.
Alright guys, so it's my turn. If
round.
Yeah. If I don't get this right, then T-Ball wins. But if I get it right, me and T-Ball go against each other.
In overtime.
In overtime basically.
bonus round.
Yeah. To see who wins. I'm scared. I need to get this right. I cannot reach it again. Mulch.
How did he get that?
Alright guys, so I got a walnut for T-Ball and an acorn for Drew. So let's see who wins this fight.
Okay, guys, I'm kind of nervous. So let's see.
It's further back. Can you not reach it?
Like, is it one of those acorn things that are down back?
No.
Some type of nut. Okay. Is this it?
What?
This? I don't know.
You were right. It was an acorn down back.
Yay!
So it's my turn. In overtime, it's me and T. Oh, wait. I just lost. Acorn.
I guess I want I to win. So this is for T, rotten pepper that I found in my garden. This is for I. He's definitely gonna get this. If he doesn't, then he's weird. So this is for T. I'm gonna rig it.
Alright, it's my turn again, guys. I'm going first. So let's see. Where is it? Can someone help me? Right there. Leave. Let's go, boy.
Okay, I'm kind of nervous, so my turn now. What is that?
You only have 5 minutes.
Is it a pepper?
No! You cheated!
Is it?
Alright guys, so it didn't work. So let's put this up a notch. I want I to win. So this is for T-Ball. And this is for yeah. So let's see if they can get
Now, guys, we're getting 2 guesses. I'm going first again. So let's do it. A rock. Let's go. I got it right. Let's go. A rock. Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn. One of those, the furry things from the plant over there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yay! Get the D!
Now I really need to step it up a notch. So they only have 1 try. And I want I to win. So this is for T-Ball. Should probably guess it. I don't know. This is for a stick. So let's see if they can guess.
Okay, I only have 1 try to get this right. There's nothing in here. Yeah, there is. What in here? Where did it go? Pine needles.
Correct. Guys, so 1 guess. If I don't get this right, T-Ball wins. Come on, let's go. Where is it? A stick. Let go.
Alright guys, so I'm backtracking because last time we gave this to T. Last in the regular rounds, not like the sudden death. In the regular rounds, we gave that to T, and they gave this to me. And I don't think they know what this feels like, so I'm giving this for T and this for I. I's definitely gonna get this, and I don't know what T's gonna get that. So let's see who wins.
Still doing one guess, guys. My turn. I'm a little nervous, but let's see. I can do it. Oh. Shoot.
Come on,
Is it that bush?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah! Okay, so it's my turn now. I have one try. Yeah, so let's see. Ew. Oh wait, it's the like it's one of these.
Mom, yeah. Alright, guys. So we're gonna do one more round. And if they're both
Yay.
right, they're just gonna call it a tie.
So this is for Drew. Grass. T-Ball actually recommended it. Hopefully she doesn't tell him. I don't think she would, because I don't think she would want him to win. But anyway, there's a wild grape that we found. And I don't think anyone's gonna guess a wild grape. So I think Drew's gonna win. Or I's gonna win. Alright, let's see who can guess.
It's officially dark out. So this is the last round. So if we both lose or we both win, then it's a tie. So yeah, let's see. Ew. What is? Where did it go? It feels like. Ew. I'm gonna just squeeze it. It's a blueberry.
Nope. It's a grape.
It's a grape. I win! Yay! Guys,
Don't get this right.
alright, T-Bone wants me to get it wrong since she got it wrong. If I get it right, then I win. One guess. Here we go. I'm so nervous. We're so close. There it is. What is that? Jeez, what is that? No. Grass?
Yeah.
It is? No, it isn't. Are you guys kidding with me?
Look.
It's dead grass. So I got it wrong. It's dead grass, or does that count as grass?
It's
Oh, okay, well, good game, T. We went a long time, guys. So, yeah.
That was a good job, guys. I lost on the first one.
T-Bone, good game.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like. Guys, they both put up a really, really good fight. Look at that. They played 8 rounds.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
really good. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh.